Looking at the pool
Good
system.
afternoon, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back with your names to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there will be no talking, eating, drinking, gum, chewing, walking around, or smoking. And please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good afternoon, Your Honor. All right, good afternoon. Ms. Gardner, you're gonna have to unmute your device in order to speak, or you're gonna have to come on.
I did. I did.
Oh, okay, all right, there you are. All right. So, Ms. Gardner, do you have license and insurance?
No, I do not.
All right. Where are you at the stages of getting your license, or are you trying to get a license?
Yes, I am.
And how far are you away from getting that?
Be honest, January.
And that's because of what, money problems?
Really is the work and the working, and that I work in the healthcare. So by the time I get off, everything is shut down.
Okay. All right, we're gonna wait on a court reporter, and now I can do the same thing for you as I did for Mr. Gates. I can put this off until after the holiday, February 28th. Maybe you can come in with a license.
Okay.
Today.
I can whom?
I can put this off until about February 28th. That'll give you some time to get a license.
Okay.
You want to do that?
I appreciate it.
We'll come back February 28th. Just hold tight though. Let me wait on my court reporter so I can call the case and put it on the record. And I'll give you February. It's gonna be February 28th at 8:30 a.m.
Say that again.
It's gonna be February 28th at 8:30 a.m.
Okay. February 28th at 8:30 a.m.
Yeah, hold on a second. Let me wait on my court reporter so we can put it on the record.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes.
You can also just offer her an allowing to resolve this matter today.
Okay, and Mr. Gates as well?
He's in the same situation?
Yes, same situation.
How do I
That's
resolve it today?
Now, hold on. Ms. Gates, Ms. Gardner, would it be better for you to come in the courthouse?
At this point in my life, I'm just doing what's best, whatever I can do best.
Your Honor, I go downstairs and let the girls know that she can come in.
No, I'll do that. I'll go get her
Okay.
right now. She's not I see her device is slowing up. Come on to the door, Ms. Gardner. Somebody's gonna come down and bring you upstairs.
Okay, I appreciate it. So turn it off?
Yes, just wait on the guard at the door down there.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Gates.
Yes, sir.
What he said he'll do is I'll give you an allowing unlicensed driver to drive. I'll fine you $240 for that. I'll dismiss that upon payment of the $240, and I'll give you time to pay. So that will not interfere with you get a license. That will just, and then all the other cases will be dismissed.
So you said I got put. I apologize, sir. What was the charges again?
The charges are drove while license suspended, no insurance, misdemeanor, and unregistered, untitled.
Okay, you said I owe 200 and what?
Well, you don't owe anything yet. You have the opportunity to take the deal today and just get it closed out. I'll give you some time to pay. We'll set it for a review sometime in the new year, and that'll give you time to pay that $240. Once that $240 is paid, then we'll close everything out.
Awesome, sir.
You want to take that deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon, Ms. Williams Law. We're ready when you are.
Okay, I'm ready, Your Honor. Good afternoon.
All right, good afternoon. All right. Let's go and let's start with Mr. Gates. I see you, Mr. Ogletree. I'll get with you in a second.
All right, thank you.
Good afternoon. This is the city of Detroit versus Andre Gates, case number SP 2. Strike that, SP 1206327, counts 1, 2, and 3. We don't have a city attorney yet. Oh, are you the city? Okay, Mr. Ogletree, defense counsel, put your appearance on the record, Mr. Ogletree.
Aaron Ogletree, House Counsel,
So you
for
heard the
Guzman
deal?
Hernandez.
No, for Gates, Andre Gates.
Aaron Ogletree, for Mr. Andrew Gates.
So, you heard the deal that we offer Mr. Gates, that's allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I told him, if he takes that plea, we'll dismiss the no insurance misdemeanor and we'll dismiss the unregistered untitled. I'll fine him $240 and I will dismiss immediately upon payment of that $240. And I'll give your client some time to pay. Your client indicate that he wants to take that deal. He can give you an opportunity if you want to speak with him or if he wants to speak with you, or let me know what you want to do. And he has an absolute right to a trial.
Mr. Gates, do you have any questions?
No, but I was concerned that allowing, I thought you were talking about somebody else
Okay,
driving.
well, let me explain. Allowing an unlicensed driver to drive is basically the lowest traffic misdemeanor that they do. In terms of the total points, it doesn't result in your license being suspended any additional time. That's the best thing that prosecutors offer in Southeastern Michigan, short of dismissing the case. They can't reduce here, and they normally don't reduce misdemeanors to civil infractions like in some courts. So that's the best you're probably gonna get, unless you have a trial and you win.
I'll take that, sir.
Okay. I'll say, so can you raise your right hand, please, Mr. Gates? Did you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand by taking this offer, you're gonna give up that trial right?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Okay, sir, let me draw your attention back to May the 31st, 2021 at about 1 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Woodward in Baltimore, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Yes.
On that date, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
And you couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Well, honestly, I totally forgot that I have moved from Taylor, Michigan to Detroit.
Sir, we're gonna make it real
Yes, sir.
easy.
I didn't have valid driver's license.
That's all we need.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm gonna find you, I'm satisfied, counsel, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I will fine you $240. I also said I'll take it a step further and I'll dismiss immediately upon payment, sir. With stipulation of probable cause, counsel, I'll dismiss the other 2 counts.
We stipulate the probable cause.
All right, when can you pay, Mr. Gates?
I can pay by this afternoon.
Well,
I can pay now.
I thought you needed more time, so if you get it paid this afternoon, we'll dismiss this afternoon. How about that?
That's
I'm gonna
wonderful.
set this for a review on December 20th, 2021 at 8:25 a.m. Sir, if the matter is paid and it's cleared up, you do not have to show back up on that day. However, if it is not cleared up and you haven't paid, I need to see you on December 20th, 2021 at 8:25 a.m.
Okay, sir.
Other than that, sir, if you don't have any further questions, I wish you and your family a safe and happy holiday season, sir.
Awesome, thank you, sir. Where can I make a payment through a credit card? Can I just go online and pay it off?
No, I would not do it online. I would make it at any Div Dav kiosk in the city of Detroit. Or I would come down to the court and make that payment in person. The Div Dav kiosk and the in-person give the immediate clearances and immediately goes through that online stuff we're telling people not to do. All right?
Okay, cool. Thank you so much, sir.
I'm gonna close out case number 16-2469-531. See, it seems like he made that payment. We'll close that matter out. Well, let me make sure. He made that payment, right? Let's close that matter out. All right? All right, sir.
All right, sir. You have a great day. Be safe.
You as well. Okay. Let's go. Ms. Gardner, good afternoon to you, ma'am. Yes, sir. Okay, I have an in-person here, Mr. Ogletree. Ms. Gardner, she'll get the same offer if she wants. We can do one of three things. You can have the offer of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Let's stand up now. Oh, I apologize. No problem. No problem. No need to apologize. Step up to the lectern, podium, or whatever they call it. Podium. Are you okay standing? Well, if you want to sit down, you're more than welcome. Appreciate it. All right. Let's do this. Let's call the cases. This is the City of Detroit versus Melissa Gardner, case number SP 1207144, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, I'm from Miss Melissa Gardner.
Okay, so like I said, the offer is one of three things. You can kick the can down the road to February 28th. I don't know of any good reason to do that today. And I'm sure your counsel will advise you. The other offer is to take it to trial. We can give you a trial date. Officer doesn't show up, we'll dismiss. If the officer does show up, we'll give you the same offer we're gonna get today. That would be a good deal. And you have potentially to get it dismissed. The last offer would be taking and allowing, just like we offer Mr. Gates, dismiss immediately upon payment of $240. I'll give you time to pay. So, counsel, you want to speak to your client, or so she can help you make the decision?
Yeah, I can ask her.
Give her the trial date.
I can ask her. Ms. Gates, do you have? Gardner, do you have any questions?
No.
So what I would say is what the judge has put forth in terms of offer is the lowest that they normally do. In the city of Detroit, from my experience over the last couple of years, they don't reduce misdemeanor tickets to civil infractions. So this is the lowest level it is. It's still a misdemeanor. There's no points. It doesn't result in your license being suspended any additional time. So as the judge said, you have the right to have a trial in this instance to proven guilty.
And let me stop you, counselor. And for Ms. Gardner, I'm going to leave that offer open at the date of trial as well.
Okay. So, it's your choice if you wish to, if the officer doesn't show, then it would be dismissed without prejudice, which means that they can bring it back. But otherwise, as I indicated, this is the lowest offense that they do offer. So if you didn't do anything, then you should have a trial. If you are responsible for what they claim, you should accept the offer, is what my recommendation is.
And how about this, Ms. Gardner? Can you zoom back in on the 28th of February?
To go back in, see that, that's healthcare thing, there's COVID is back up. So there's so when he said, I don't want to go to the court. I don't want to go to court.
You don't want to zoom back in and see if you can save yourself $240?
Oh, this thing, my life is just crazy right now.
Hey, I mean, I feel for you,
And
Mr.
then if I zoom back in. What day would that be?
February 28th.
Oh. Lord knows how this world gonna be on the 28th.
Could be better, could be worse. But you gotta be optimistic, Ms.
I am
Gardner.
optimistic, but I see what's going on.
All right, well, hopefully, God willing, we'll be here.
Yeah, I know I'm gonna be here.
Okay, then, we'll come back in on the 28th unless you want
What
to.
day is the 28th?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I just got, Miss Nash just tells me what date to give you, and that's what I do. I stay in my lane.
It's on a Monday?
February 28th.
Okay, that looks like a Monday. No,
Yes.
that's me, I apologize. The 28th, I'll take the 28th.
All right, but you're not gonna get up and get the phone right
No,
now.
I was gonna turn it off.
All right, we're gonna set it for trial.
Oh, please.
February 28th, 2022, 9 a.m.
So you say 9 a.m.?
No, yeah, 9 a.m.
Yeah, I can do that.
Offer of allowing will remain open. I'm just making a note to myself, Mrs. Gardner, just to make sure that we have, that I know we spoke. And I told you, it's really a win-win situation.
I appreciate you for helping me.
It's really a win-win situation.
I appreciate all of y'all.
Yeah, the only worst thing that can happen is you delay paying that 240 from
When
now
do I
till
pay
then.
that?
And the best thing that can happen is they don't show up, you don't have to pay nothing.
Do I pay it today?
No,
Oh, so what do I do?
you just come back on the 28th
Oh.
and have that 240 ready on the 28th.
Okay.
All right.
No, I appreciate it.
All right, I appreciate you more, man. All right, that'll conclude that, February 28th, 2020, 9 a.m.
Yeah.
We'll have you back on Zoom.
On Zoom, and hopefully I'll be a little better with that.
That's all right. You did fine. Next, good afternoon, Madam Interpreter.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good to see you.
Same here. Happy holidays to you.
Happy holidays.
Y'all gonna have to.
All right, happy holidays, Ms. Gardner. Have a safe and
Happy holidays.
and happy New Year to you. I'll see you back in the new year.
Yes, you will.
Or else I can send somebody to come get you, Ms. Gardner.
You can.
You have an Uber driver. It won't be the kind of Uber that you like though. All right. Can you raise your right hand, Madam Cox? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not to divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do.
And are you, can you put your name on the record?
Maria Cox, C-O-X.
And do you swear to interpret from English to Spanish or Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
I do.
Very well. Mr. Gomez, Guzman, good afternoon.
Buenas tardes, señor Guzmán.
Hola, buenas tardes.
Good morning. Hello, good afternoon.
All right. You know I'm trying to work on my Spanish, don't you, Miss Cox?
Sí, señor.
All right. It's gonna take me a while, but I'm gonna get it. All right. This is the city of Detroit. This is Jose Guzman Hernandez, case number SD 12275. Strike that. SD 1222759, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Están llamando a su caso de la ciudad contra José Guzmán Hernández, número 1-222-97591, cargos 1, 2 y 3.
Sí, es correcto.
Yes, that is correct.
Can you put your appearance on the record, Counselor?
Aaron Ogletree on behalf of Jose Guzman Hernandez.
Se presentó el abogado que lo está representando, el abogado Ogletree.
Ok, gracias.
Thank you.
Gracias to you as well. Okay, so the offer today is going to be blocking traffic for the failure to stop. I'll fine your client $175. And with the stipulation of probable cause, the other two matters will be dismissed. That is a civil infraction, and it does not carry any abstraction or any points. It's just like an expensive parking ticket.
Ok, el cargo se lo van a rebajar, hay una multa de $175, le van a rebajar un cargo de bloquear tráfico y los otros dos se los anulan o se los quitan, y pero es una infracción civil, pero no tiene ningunos puntos en su licencia.
Or I can offer him 8 hours of community service.
O en vez también le podría ofrecer en lugar que usted haga 8 horas de servicio de trabajo a la comunidad.
Mejor los pago.
It'd be better for me to pay.
All right. I
Está
don't
bien.
think your attorney has anything to say regarding that, do you, Mr. Ogletree?
That's as good as it gets, except for a dismissal.
Su abogado no tiene nada que decir porque en realidad la oferta es lo mejor que le pueden ofrecer a menos que sean que le anularan todo.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
All right, well, let's make this easy. Will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea and for probable cause for the dismissal of the other two matters?
Entonces, usted va a reconocer que esas acciones son las bases para los hechos que ocurrieron y para que quiten los otros dos cargos.
Sí, está bien, gracias.
Yes, that is fine. Thank you.
Can I get that stipulation, Counselor?
Stipulate the probable cause in the face of the ticket.
Van a estipular que las causas probables son lo que dicen en el tiquete,
Ok.
en la multa. Ok.
$175, Mr. Guzman Hernandez. When can you pay?
Señor Hernán Guzmández, la multa es $175. ¿Cuándo lo puede pagar?
¿Puedo pagarlo por computadora?
May I pay through the computer, internet?
I'd pay at any DivDav kiosk in the city of Detroit, or I would come down to the court and pay. I wouldn't pay online.
Dice él que lo debería pagar por los kioscos que están en la ciudad que se llaman DivDat o que fuera directo a la corte a pagarlo en el cajero. No lo pague, él dice que no le recomienda que lo pague por el internet.
Ok. ¿Puedo ir ahora ya a la corte para pagarlo?
May I go now to the court to pay?
Yes, you may.
Sí, sí puede.
See.
Oh, ok.
See, what is it? May, yes, you may.
Sí puede.
See, puede.
Okay.
Sí puede.
See, puede. Okay, there we go. You like that, don't you, Mr. Castro?
Yeah, I do. You're getting better today.
I'm gonna get it. All right. So, sir, I'm gonna set a review for December 20th, 2021 at 8:25 a.m. If you've got that paid, you do not have to show back up. However, if it's not paid, I need to see you, sir.
Ok, van a poner una fecha para revisar. Si usted ha pagado, no tiene que volverse a presentar, pero si no ha pagado, entonces tiene que volver a aparecer en la corte el 20 de diciembre a las 8:25 de la mañana, si no está pago todavía.
Ok, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
And if it's nothing further, sir, I wish you and your family a safe and happy holiday season, all right?
Y si no hay más nada, le deseo a usted y a su familia unas fiestas y navidades felices y sanas.
Igualmente, gracias.
Same to you. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Que tenga buen día.
Muchas gracias. ¿Es todo?
Is that all?
Sí.
Sí.
Ok. Voy a pagar a la corte ahí al cajero.
Okay, I will come down and pay at the cashier's window at the court.
Thank you.
Gracias.
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 All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. Am I needed in any other cases today?
No, I don't think Mr. Castro needs you. I don't, Mr. Castro, what are you doing in here? I don't have you on my docket.
I mean, I got a ticket with the case number and everything. I don't know if I was supposed to have a court date.
That's your first name, Abraham Castro?
Castro Lemus. I got a second last name.
What's the last name?
Lemus.
You say LL what?
Ya la corte de mismo.
Lemus. It's Lesu. No. Hold on. Give me a second. It's Lemus. It's Lemus. Lemus.
You don't need an interpreter, do you?
No, I'm okay.
It's gone now. Thanks, you're gone. Lenus?
Yeah. Abraham Castro Lemus.
Do you have a case number?
Yeah, I got the case number. Just give me a second. I'm looking. I got a picture of this. So the case number is it says ticket case. It says SP1 2069031.
Okay, Castro, okay, all right, you're supposed to be next door.
Next. So where do I got? What I'm supposed to do?
No, 435, I'm sorry.
435.
Yeah, 360-435-0000.
Can you write it out for me? Let me see. Give me a second. I'm gonna write it down. Give me a second.
Call over there and let them know he was here.
Okay, so can you repeat that for me, please?
360-435-0000.
Okay, thank you. I got that.
Have a good and safe and happy holiday season, sir.
Same for you, mister. Bye.
Bye. If you can get them. Like I said, head out and do my round again. That's what I'm gonna do on the way out. We don't know what you do. I mean, we don't know what you do.
Okay. Oh, great, thanks.
Oh, yeah.
Who's next door? Which clerk?
That's Robbins.
No.
No, I forget the clerk's name. What's her name? Perkins.
No, that's not. You said you don't answer, so it must be somebody new.
Yeah.
I should have asked.
People is like people is.
Yeah, she was nice.
Gotcha. So, Eccles is nice.
Huh?
Eccles is a nice.
We are.
Huh?
We are.
Oh. All right, we're gonna call it an early afternoon.
Yeah.
I don't think we're gonna get any more customers.
So am I released?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I thought I was saying. I don't know if I didn't come across, if I wasn't clear in what I was saying. I know Miss Williams Law knew exactly what I was talking about, didn't you, Miss Williams Law?
Perfectly clear, Your Honor. Have a good day.
All right, thank you.
All right, I'll see y'all later. Good to see you, Mr.
Yeah,
Ogletree. If I don't see you before the holidays, have a safe and happy
Yeah,
holidays.
we have another date coming up next week.
Okay, great.
All right, take care.
All right.
Bye.
It's getting lighter and lighter as we get closer, huh, Judge?
Hmm?
I said, the docket seems like it's getting lighter and lighter as
Yeah,
we
it's
get
close to
closer.
Christmas time.
Yeah.
I don't know why that thing is like that. Can't afford it.
Oh, it's not shutting down?
That's not, but I can't imagine this computer is shut down there.
We good?
Yeah. It didn't shut down like. Oh, you got your card. Oh, did you? Yeah. Got it yesterday. Oh, good.
Thank you.
We always send them out. Back to.
Okay, right.
Oh, it's not.
Yes, sir.
You don't mind.
Oh, I gotta print the rest of your document.
You don't mind, I would like to get your address so I can send you out.
Oh, nice, how sweet. Okay, it's not long, I can just write it out. Let's see. You gonna have your, like a family portrait kind of thing?
No, we
That's
never did
sweet.
that. They do that. That's
With the
ridiculous.
puppy, I wanna see you know how they pose with the animals and, they got the same matching outfits. I think that is so cute.
Yeah, we never got those things. Let me see if my brother.
Oh my goodness, that's hilarious. Oh, what's my goodness?
I think you going tonight?
Oh, the oldest thing?
Yeah.
I might. I usually go. You going?
Too late, too last minute. I just got the email yesterday.
He's a busy man.
Yeah, but we want people to support you, especially for $100. Give you more than a day's notice. That's what the thing said.
Yeah, man, like.
I'm trying to get a new phone. What's everybody's suggestion? My phone, I can't call out on it, and I think I have 3G.
Oh, yeah, it's time.
They said every time I call, it goes right to AT&T.
Oh.
It goes right to them.
I'm an iPhone head personally.
And they're
so-
like, upgrade it. I'm like, how? How do I upgrade it? I'm thinking that's what they mean by getting a new phone, upgrade it, right? Not the software, but the phone, right?
Yeah. Well, you can upgrade the phone, but they're telling you.
This is junk. I hate it. I can't even, for the past 2 weeks, I can't call nobody. If they call me, that's fine.
476.
Yep, 847.
iPhone.
What's a good one on? And what's the cheapest? You know me, I don't like spending no money on food.
But here's the thing, you
You're
buy
gonna
it.
spend some funds, you're gonna spend some money.
But not only that, listen, the bill every month is so much money. That's the crazy part. How are you paying $130 a month for a phone bill? To me, that's ridiculous. That is.
It is to me, I
That's it.
100%.
I don't get that.
Yeah.
But this is what they've done.
Yeah, they jacked the price up because everybody wants it. It's like a thing now, huh?
Yeah.
It's been like that.
But before, companies were subsidizing your phone. Now they're not subsidizing it anymore. That's the big thing.
What do you think? Yeah, that's what everybody's wondering, who tested positive for COVID. You know what's gonna happen? They're gonna make everybody just test, like random testing.
No, they're not, because they don't wanna pay for that.
You ain't gonna have to, they not gonna pay, you gonna have to pay. That's what I'm thinking. They just have an
No,
executive
they
order.
can't make you pay
Oh,
for
they
that.
can't?
You
Okay.
got a contract, you're in the union, they gotta.
That's
they
what
will
I'm
have to
thinking,
pay.
like every time you look around though, and everybody's
No.
scared, you know, like, oh, they got COVID, we got COVID.
No, they're not gonna make
Oh,
you pay.
good.
They don't wanna pay for each one of those tests.
No, that's a lot. I heard it's like $100-something.
Yes,
per
they're not
test.
gonna do that, it's just gonna keep on going until you get it, and hopefully you don't die.
Yeah. They-
That's all it is.
Right.
Cause they're not gonna shut the world down
They
again.
not.
No.
It's been 2 years, going on 3 years, so, you know.
Yeah.
That's
But if
crazy.
they would have shut it down the first time completely, we probably wouldn't be in this.
I don't think so, because people were still doing.
No, I
this
think
stupid-
so. I think if they would have,
They-
I agree with you, because where would the virus would have gone? You saw it in March and April.
The
It was,
peak,
it
the
was
decline.
really high. And then when they shut it down, by the time June and July came down, it had gone down a whole lot. And then that's when they opened everything back up. They should have had it more, everybody
But see,
more
Gretchen was
restricted.
afraid because they kept threatening her life and doing different things,
Yeah, they're
you know?
stupid. They're
So
stupid.
that's why she decided, I'm not gonna be involved in that, because I like living and I like my life and it's not worth it. I mean, people were trying to.
Well, it's not
kidnap her.
about her, it's
It
about
was crazy.
politics too. She doesn't want to rock
The
boat
boat.
too much.
She gotta
Yeah.
get reelected.
She wants to get reelected. But did you see the lady that had she sued in order to give her husband that treatment?
Experimental treatment?
Yes.
Yeah. The
He
court
dead,
said
he
no.
dead now.
He died?
Yeah, he died.
Yeah. But he didn't get the treatment though.
He did get the treatment.
Oh.
He got the treatment, but he got it later. He got it later.
What kind
But,
of,
I thought the court said no. We're not
No,
gonna
the
get.
court said yes. The hospital said no. The court,
was he not well? I mean, why?
he
did
had
he die?
COVID, and she wanted to give him that treatment
Oh, my Jesus.
with the, what did they feed them animals.
Oh,
Yeah,
my
pretty
goodness.
much. She found she was a
She didn't tell me she didn't say it on purpose.
YouTube doctor.
Influencer, she's a YouTube
Yeah, she
doctor.
got yes, she got all her information off of YouTube.
Yeah.
Lord Jesus, she
That's
did that
what-
on purpose. She had to have done it on purpose.
No, it's not necessarily. I don't, hey, now, I don't not
Yeah.
disagree with your thinking there.
Yeah.
Because if it was a life insurance in play, that would be a perfect way to get that money without any suspicion.
At all.
But
Because she
I was
didn't
fighting
do
some
it.
so
of are so clouded in their minds.
But she didn't do it. The COVID did it. See, so she can definitely claim it if she had
Right.
a policy.
Yeah, yeah.
And plus COVID, you know, if you die from COVID, they pay for your funeral.
Who said that?
Yeah, who said?
I don't believe that.
They pay for my mom's.
They pay for your mom's funeral?
They reimburse
Who
us.
did
How
that? Medical
much?
insurance company?
No,
So
but
you can have a $50,000 funeral
Yeah.
and they reimburse you?
no, it's
There's
only-
a cap on it, I
like-
know.
It had to be under 5,000.
Okay.
Not too many cost under 5,000.
No, they don't.
They
That's
cost
just a,
way over there.
that's just a little,
That's
that's
a
not,
coffin.
Yeah, but it helps.
that's not, yeah, it helps, there's no question about
Yeah,
that.
it does.
But I'm talking about a funeral, you get
Yeah.
the 5,000, you just getting the,
The casket.
yeah, you ain't even getting the cash.
Right.
They ain't putting, them buggers on rent, I guess they can't rent caskets though.
No, they
not
can't.
anymore.
Not they can't.
They have to, once they put you in there, you bought it.
Yep. I told my family, just cremate me for $600.
That's what I said. Just put
Save
it in
that
the
money.
burner. I ain't trying to do all that.
Yeah, that's what most people are gonna do
They go
anyway.
broke. I mean, on a funeral.
Yeah, it's expensive.
And then you want to invite, and then you want to have a white horse, and just like in celebrity, had a white horse going down.
When my brother's
And
wife
all that.
died, he spent a lot of money on that
Yeah.
funeral.
Oh, bless his heart. He was in pain, no, I know.
He spent a lot of money on that funeral.
They do that on funerals and weddings.
He had like 6 limousines
No, he did.
and, 3 for us and 3 for her side of the
So
family.
it must have been a lot of people showed up.
It was a lot of people.
Well, that's probably.
And then when we walked outside the church on Woodward, there was a line of Wayne County sheriffs in the middle of the street waiting. And they led her to the cemetery. And then I didn't know to put them on the ground, to put them on the thing, to lower down in the ground and to put dirt on them. All of that costs extra.
Yeah, it does.
And my mom says that the older people would always get that because you're not truly until they throw that, until they cover you up, you know, so.
That's why they make you go away before they did all
Before they
that.
did it, because you didn't pay.
Because you didn't pay, and they didn't want to see you, but they were gonna put you.
That's
if you
some
did.
crazy stuff.
Ain't it?
That's some crazy stuff.
So we stayed around to make sure we had, you know, we was going.
Well, they did it all right there. They put the dirt and the hole was already filled up and everything. I was like, dang, I ain't never seen this before.
That was quick, yeah, that was quick. I guess because of COVID too, everything's different now.
No, this was before
Oh, it
COVID.
was before?
Yeah, she passed,
Yeah.
she passed back in, shoot, I guess she's
It's been a while. I know they mentioned, it was so, you know, painful.
2016.
Yeah, everybody knew about it in the courthouse.
Yes.
Everybody.
He called me that night.
Oh.
I already knew. I kind of, you know,
Yeah.
something. I told my wife she gonna die.
Well, she had like
She had lupus, but she didn't
Oh.
do what she was supposed to do. She was like a holistic type person.
Oh my God.
And she went. What's up?
Hey, you still on YouTube?
Am I still on YouTube?
Yeah. I'm looking at you now. You still at your desk. You got your code in your hand.